After pre-ordering the iPhone on October 16th, the first day for pre-orders for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, mine finally arrived. So it's time to do an unboxing for you guys, and we're going to compare it to my old phone, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So do sort of a reenactment of the iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. That way you guys can see exactly what the iPhone 12 Pro is now missing that the iPhone 11 Pro Max came with, and just an overall view, an overall comparison between our new iPhone 12 Pro and the 11 Pro Max with a quick explanation as to why I decided to downsize from the Max to just the regular Pro with this latest release. So let's get in to the unboxing. And there we have our first glance at the new blue iPhone 12 Pro. And if we pull it out, we can get a better look at the color. So really, really nice looking blue. You can see the blue stainless as well on the side of the phone. It is quite cold, that's why you can see my fingerprints, but really, really nice, and a nice flat matte finish, which we haven't really seen on the back of the iPhone in quite a long time. We even get the blue camera module, so really, really nice colors. And on the front of the phone, you can see, of course, the typical layout with your power, volume, and notification lock button. And then inside of the box, we are then greeted with our Type-C to Lightning cable. And that is it, and our sort of minified instructions that come with our iPhone. So now to do the peel, there we go. But before we power our iPhone 12 Pro on, let's do a quick mock unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max so you guys can see exactly what you're missing with this iPhone 12 Pro. So now we have our iPhone 11 Pro Max, and very similar feel with the box. And we are greeted the exact same way as with the iPhone 12 Pro, but since I've been using it for the past year, we don't have the pull tab to easily get it out. So just do quick drop out. So last year we were of course treated typically like Apple normally does with the full pamphlet of, you got your stickers, all the instructions, anything else inside of this. And then last year was the first time we had our Type-C charging brick. Really, really super fast charging with this guy, but of course we do not get that this year with the iPhone 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max or any of the iPhone 12s. So if you didn't have an 11 Pro Max and you don't have a Type-C charger brick, you're going to have to purchase one of those either from Apple or somebody else. Of course, we also do not get our headphones, which we got last year with all of the 11 series iPhones. But we still do get our Type-C to Lightning cable that we are getting, of course, this year. So that was the full package that came with the 11 Pro Max. And of course, we don't get that this year with the iPhone 12 Pro. Now that we have both of these phones unboxed and re-unboxed, time to take a look at both the size comparison as well as some of the features that the 12 Pro has now that the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max do not. So taking a look size-wise, if we overlay our iPhone 12 over the 11 Pro Max, you can see it's honestly not that much smaller. The 12 Pro Max will come in at 6.7 inches, where the 11 Pro Max 6.5 and the 12 Pro at 6.1. And if we take a look at the back, you can see we now have our LiDAR scanner on the back of the 12 Pro, where we did not have that feature on the 11 Pro Max. But overall, very, very similar camera bump layout, everything else, maybe a little bit more compact on the 12 Pro, but besides that, very, very, very similar. And if we do another quick overlay, you can see very, very minimal decrease in size from the 11 Pro Max, which is the main reason I wanted to downsize from this to this. This is already slightly big in the pocket, slightly big in the hand, and increasing that size even further with the 12 Pro Max just wasn't super appealing to me. So that's why I decided to go with the regular 12 Pro. And before we get carried away, leaving our iPhone 12 Pro unprotected without a case, let's take a look at the new iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro MagSafe clear case from Apple. So I decided to take a look at this particular case, being that it was clear, it would still be able to show off the really, really nice color that Apple has made available with this new phone. So as you can see, clear with the MagSafe sort of charging pattern and just the overall magnet pattern on the back of the case. So let's throw this on our iPhone 12 Pro. Honestly, a nice snug fit, and it looks pretty cool if I don't say so myself. It shows off the magnet pattern on the back of the phone. It shows that, of course, it is a 12 Pro, and I love this blue color. If I could rock this phone without a case, I just don't trust myself doing that. I would definitely do it because the color on the back of this iPhone is honestly really, really beautiful and super, super nice to look at. But that is the iPhone 12 Pro and the new clear MagSafe case from Apple. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys an unboxing, quick overall first impressions of this phone versus the last generation of iPhone. And overall, I am super impressed just with the overall design of this thing. The blue stainless steel around the edges, 5G. We haven't even gotten to the actual details, the specs, the performance of this phone. Just the overall looks are really, really nice and a really great upgrade over the iPhone 11. I really do like the squared off edges versus the rounded edges on the 11 and 11 Pro. Overall, super happy with the decision to upgrade to the iPhone 12 Pro. But if you guys want to get more of an in-depth look at this iPhone 12 Pro and the overall experience and feel of the newest iPhone from Apple, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can stay up to date when I release that next video. I'm going to go into plenty of detail comparing the cameras, the overall feel, the performance of this new iPhone 12 Pro versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. A big thing also being battery life. Does 5G diminish the battery life of the iPhone 12 Pro compared to the last generation? So be sure to stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, any comments about the iPhone 12 Pro or any of the videos you might want to see in the future, be sure to leave those in the comments below.